Hi lovelies, with this home remedy I'm about to show you how to make, you have no business with and flu generally. Please parents, this one is very important for your children. Do you know that onions have been used as expectorants for years, and the quercetin and allicin in them have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, so please don't joke with onions. And the honey, on the other hand, which contains essential nutrients, will help provide the soothing effect you need for cough and flu generally. Always allow the combo rest for a few hours before use so that they can infuse properly. And with this, say bye bye to bye.